Let's go down the slide. Stop pushing me! Yo, what the hell did you do that? Stop! Look what you did.
Don't record it because the Chris is gonna go down. I didn't know the slide behind.
No, this is my No, this is my YouTube.
The dog just want to slide.
Don't worry, I delete. Don't worry, I delete my stuff. All I do is like have
The
fun.
dog gonna slide.
She had fun.
Okay, do it again, and then it's my turn.
I don't think it's a little girl that brings her back in. That's what she
Come on, Doggy. Come on.
I delete my videos. Don't worry, I just have fun doing it.
Doggy wanna go. Doggy wanna go.
No, don't take off the channel.
You gotta go back upstairs? Do you gotta go back upstairs?
A little bit.
No, because I wanted to walk them over to the other part, the bigger one.
Yeah, can we?
It depends on him. If not, not. Because he gotta go upstairs. Oh, with the puffy face?
Look at that baby face. She just go, look, please.
Where's my keys? Where's the keys, girls?
Where's the keys? Right here.
Get your
All
baby,
right.
get your baby. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Get your baby.
She's sleeping. She's like trying to get her.
She's trying to wait.
Yay, I did it. I know she's not gonna get it.
Come on.
Where are we going?
Mommy, where is Chris anyway?
For a little bit only, like for 5 minutes.
Yay.
You gotta get back.
No. Sky, no. No. Yeah, she's trying. Where's the ball? Ball? Yeah. Who has the ball?
Huh?
Who has the ball?
She made me wait the other
You
time.
got, mommy got it.
You got the ball? All right.
That should be got you. That brought that ball out, right?
Yeah.
Who brought it out?
She likes
Me.
that, but
You
it
supposed
gets
to be
her
holding that ball?
overexcited.
Who?
Yo.
No.
No, I'll hold it because they'll get to the
Where we going?
She likes the
No. Where are we going?
That what you said, didn't it?
Oh, okay. Let's go.
No, where you going?
To the park.
So why you at?
I don't know.
Zip up though, because I don't want you getting sick.
For me?
Yeah, they know me.
Yo.
You sound like Justice.
Yeah, so. This is crazy. I see y'all had fun, huh?
Yeah.
In Connecticut, huh? Y'all was doing it up, huh?
Yeah, we were lit.
Y'all pink nice shirts on.
We were lit.
Yeah, y'all look good like the three amigos.
You saw
That's
the
what
sister
y'all look
squad?
like, the three amigos. All y'all look alike.
No, more than that.
Yes, y'all do. All y'all look
We
alike.
was the same
You
shirt.
cannot
I look
say,
like my
you can't
sister.
say you don't look like mommy, because all y'all look like mommy.
Yeah.
Couldn't tell y'all apart.
Caroline looks like her dad.
Couldn't tell y'all apart. You heard me?
Caroline looks like mommy, but a little bit. She mostly looks like her dad. I look like mommy.
No, it took me an hour and a half to come.
So you can see the big part.
Bake the chicken, bake the chicken, bake the chicken. You can hold her?
No, she pulls too much hard. She pulls hard.
Hold this camera.
Alright, I'll try.
What up, fella?
What up, man?
What up, bro?
I'll try.
How you doing? All right. Come on.
Ow, ow. She twists my arm. She's good.
Yo, what's son name that used to play for
I got her.
Sky! 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 Bite me.
Don't tell her to bite you.
Why?
Because we're already training her not to bite. You don't do that.
She's like doing the mannequin challenge right now. Don't.
Turn off that video.
Why?
Because yeah.